Hello friends, it's me Shar, your favorite Color Street stylist from San Antonio, Texas. How you doing? Before we begin, let me apply a little bit of lipstick with y'all. The lipstick I chose today is Noel. It's one of Color Street's glitter lipsticks. Can y'all see the glitter in there? I sat by the window so I can catch that glitter for y'all. What do y'all think about that? Let me put a little bit of this on. I personally like to dab it because it is a darker color. I dab it because I don't want the full darkness on my lips. I just want that pretty pop of burgundy. And then I get that subtle glitter as well. This lipstick you can get for free if you join my Color Street team this month in November. There are 4 shades, so you might get Noel, or you might get Mary, which is a beautiful pink glitter. You might get Holly, which is a beautiful red glitter. And I believe the other one is Glitter Sweet, which is a gorgeous kind of sheer glitter, almost like a gloss in a way. It's gorgeous. But any of these 4 glitter lipsticks you do get when you join my Color Street team this month. So if you love glitter lipsticks, this is your opportunity to get one for free because they are not available on my website. But now that we applied some lipstick, let's jump in to what I came here for. I am sharing November's color play with y'all today. So let's take a look at our description from Color Street and see what's inside our box this month. November's theme was Garden of Time. Remember, this image right here will kind of give us a hint of the sets that are inside of the box. The Garden of Time, peek into a garden where the past, present, and future exist in harmony with elegant colors and blooming floral patterns. I am so excited. I will tell y'all, we had a sneak peek last month and I cannot wait to see that sneak peek in person. Are y'all ready to see what's in my box? Let's begin. What do y'all think November's free gift will be? Our bonus item. What do y'all think the bonus item will be? Remember last month in October with Rise of Dragons, we got this gorgeous ring. And I am wearing one of the Rise of Dragons sets. I don't know if y'all remember from last month, but I told y'all Mother of Dragons was perfect for Thanksgiving and fall. And I am wearing it this week for Thanksgiving. What do y'all think our bonus item will be for this box, Garden of Time? I hope it's like maybe like some floral earrings, or maybe like a little floral bracelet, or a flower keychain. That'd be fun, right? What do y'all think? Let's see. This ring right here just was really one of my favorites. I wear it almost every day. Here's our box. Ooh, what's in there? What's in there? Ooh, I see something here. Oh. All right, let's dive in. Let's see what we got this month. Okay, so y'all know every box comes with our brochure. These brochures are so great. It gives us the description of the box right there that I just read to y'all. The past, present, and future exist in present harmony in Color Play's Garden of Time. This box features charming solid glitters and romantic floral glitters where your manicure will bloom in timeless beauty. Follow one of our looks to create a custom design that will flourish at your fingertips. And our bonus item is a 12-month calendar. How fun is that? I need one of those. It says organize and bloom each and every day with a charming floral desktop calendar. I love it. And then also in our brochure, we get to meet the strips, and it does give a description of each strips. This is what I read to y'all when I show y'all the strips. And then on the back here, it kind of gives us ideas of how to wear the strips inside. But of course, you be you, and you wear the strips however you'd like. This was the sneak peek that we got. For those of you that are in my VIP group and opted to see that sneak peek, that's the sneak peek that we saw. And let's go ahead and dive in and meet the strips. Every box will come with a little Color Street nail file and a prep pad to help you put the strips on correctly. All right, so first up in here, our first strip is Everlasting Lily. How beautiful. This was one of the sneak peeks, and I honestly thought that this was going to be like a French type set, like the picture shows here. But I am happy to see, I think it's an overlay, and I love that. So let's see what Everlasting Lily is. Everlasting Lily is a full set, so 2 sheets of 8-finger set strips. And it says, savor every blooming moment with this light pink shimmer with a lily pattern. How beautiful is she? Gorgeous fall flowers. Of course, you could even wear these in spring. I sat by the window so I could catch that glitter for y'all. What do y'all think of this set? I'll bring it up closer to the camera. So pretty. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful for fall, but it's also pretty just to wear any time of year. I love a good floral nail set. That's Everlasting Lily. Let's see our next set in here. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I see myself wearing this in December. I really do. This one is Forever in Bloom. How beautiful is she? Oh my goodness, the camera doesn't even do her good. So Forever in Bloom is another full set, so 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. It is a light to dark purple ombre glitter with blooming floral motifs that never wilts but stays forever in bloom. I love that. And then look at that glitter again. Ooh la la. Oh, I am loving this one. What do y'all think about that? Loving that glitter. Look at it in the sun. Woo. So pretty. And then those motifs. I think this one is gorgeous. Honestly, for New Year's Eve. Like, wear this one on her own on New Year's Eve. That is a gorgeous set. I love that. So, so pretty. All right, so that's 2 full sets so far. Let's meet the next one. This one is Sands of Eternity. Ooh, this one is pretty. I'm picking up like the black confetti and it's falling everywhere. Sands of Eternity, another glitter. Look at that glitter. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Y'all see that glitter? So pretty, right? Sands of Eternity is another full set, so 2 sheets of 8-finger strips. This pink and holographic glitter holds everlasting memories. It is a gorgeous pink holographic glitter. Look at that. Y'all see that? I'll bring it up closer for you. So pretty. Have y'all subscribed to ColorPlay yet? You are missing out on some gorgeous strips. And we have one more set in here. This one is called Berry Dreamy. Oh, she is gorgeous. This was that sneak peek that we saw last month. So they took, this is the sneak peek that they showed us. And what they did was they applied Berry Dreamy first and put Everlasting Lily over it as a French tip. So Berry Dreamy, another gorgeous glitter. I am loving that glitter. Very dreamy. This grape purple with holographic sparkles is very dreamy. Yes, it is. I'll catch that glitter for y'all again. So, so pretty. I love it. What do y'all think about the sets in our November box? So, let's talk price, okay? So our ColorPlay boxes are just $30 plus tax, and they ship for free. And let's kind of compare if you were to get strips like this on my website. So if you were to go on my website, we do have a buy 3 get 1 free. So you would pay $14 and $14 for the designs, so that's $28, and then $13 for a glitter, so that's $28, $38, $39, $40, $41, and then one would be free. So $41 plus tax and shipping. Shipping is $4.99, so $41, $46 plus tax. You're looking at about $48 for these. If you get 2 glitters and 2 designs on my site, you're looking at about $48. Our box is only $30 plus tax, and it ships for free. We usually get about 4 to 5 full sets, and we get a bonus item. And our bonus item this month is our desktop calendar. I love these. I have a little entry table at my house, and I keep a little calendar on that entry table. Of course, I do keep a little calendar on my desk and on my wall, but that one on the entry table just kind of helps the whole family know, okay, this is today's date, this is where we are. And it's so pretty, so florally. I love, it has the different colors that kind of correspond with the months. How gorgeous is that? What a cute little desktop calendar. I am so happy I grabbed November's box. I love all of the shades that came in November's box. They're perfect for fall right now. Some of them are gorgeous for December, and some of them would even work well to wear all year. So there is our calendar. And then we had our 4 nail strips. What a great box this month. I'm happy I didn't miss out. If you did, I'm sorry. But it's okay, because there's still time to subscribe for December's box. And let's meet December's box. I do have a sneak peek of December's box, so if you would like a sneak peek, go ahead and put eye emojis below, and I'll send you a personal sneak peek from me. And this December's box is called Timeless Treasures. It says, uncover the secrets of precious finery where every piece tells a story with lavishly colored glitters. I love it. And look at those florals. Perfect for December. Kind of reminds me of poinsettias. All of the beautiful Christmas florals that you see on tabletop decors. Are y'all loving it? Do y'all want that sneak peek? Put the eyes and the emoji, and I'll send you a personal message with a sneak peek from me. If you're ready to subscribe to December's box, you can find that description link in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all all again soon. Bye for now.